When we think of bats, what comes to mind first? Maybe the sound of flapping wings at night, or even horror movies. But today we're going to put myths aside and discover how these little nocturnal creatures are actually essential to the balance of our planet. Bats are more than just creatures of the night. They play a key role in controlling agricultural pests, consuming tons of insects that could destroy crops. Scientists estimate that a single bat can eat up to 1,000 insects in just 1 hour. Multiplying this by the number of bats in a colony, we're talking about a natural army against pests. Without the work of bats, farmers would have to resort to even more pesticide use, which affects not only human health, but also biodiversity. This natural control helps preserve food quality and keep production costs lower. But bats aren't just hunters. They are also pollinators of several plant species, including fruits such as bananas, mangoes, and even agave, which is used to produce tequila. When they feed on flower nectar, they end up carrying pollen from one plant to another, allowing these species to reproduce. This contribution of bats to pollination and seed dispersal is essential to keep many ecosystems in balance. Some plants depend exclusively on bats to reproduce. Without them, we would lose not only these plants, but also all the animals that depend on them to survive. Incredible, isn't it? And yet, bats face constant threats. Due to changes in the environment, hunting, and habitat destruction, many bat species are at risk of extinction. When we protect bats, we are protecting our own ecosystem and even our food supply. So, the next time you hear about bats, remember that they are not monsters of the night, but rather silent heroes who help us in ways we may never have imagined. They keep pests under control, help with pollination, and preserve our environment. If you were surprised by what you learned today, share this video and help spread the positive side of bats. Let's give these little heroes the recognition they deserve and protect their existence. See you in the next video.